Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a couple Bluetooth speakers that are made by POWERADD. And this is the Mini, and they have a really unique design. So let's take a closer look at them. So I did a review on this guy here not too long ago, and it ended up being a great speaker and it sounds great. So we've been using it and we love it. I put it back in the package here to show you guys how it was packed. There's a USB and AUX cable in here, and the speaker is like in this plastic bag here. And look how awesome this is, guys. It fits in your hand nicely. So it has a touch screen here, as you can see, and a volume display here, and this whole thing's a knob, so it's really cool. But today we're going to be mostly concentrating on this big guy, and then we're just going to compare it to the little brother here, the Mini. So we're just going to set this guy to the side for now, and let's check this thing out. This thing is big, guys. So we got some specifications here in the back. So it looks like there's like a slip-on, little cardboard, and it still is all black. It's like a black cube. Wow, I can tell this thing is huge already. Look how big that is. Wow, this is pretty exciting. Let's pull it out here carefully. And as we can see, there's not much there left. Well, maybe there's something underneath that foam. Wow, that is huge. All right. So it looks identical to the little guy. It's just a lot bigger. Here I can put them side by side, and you guys can see how much difference that is. That's a huge difference. All right, so it looks like we still have the huge, yes we do. We have the huge knob here. Wow, that is humongous. All right, well that should be interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and there's like a little sticker here. I'm gonna peel that off. It's got a really nice finish to it. So this DeeG original here is quite a bit more money than the little one. The little one goes for around 20 bucks, a little bit more, 25. This guy here goes anywhere from 50 to like 70 or something like that. So here in the back of it, it kind of tells us the weight and the size. Obviously it's all in centimeters. And on the back here, we have the AUX, the power charger, and the power button. So let's go ahead and click this power button. A little bit ridiculous, to be honest. But it feels really good. It feels very nice to turn. All right, guys, before we listen to this thing, let's go ahead and see what else is inside this box. So it looks like we do have some more stuff down there. And most likely it's probably going to be our company cards here, and then AUX cable and a charging cable. So just like the little guy there, it comes with the same accessories. All right, guys, so the DeeG Mini is coming up as DeeG Mini, and I've connected to that. This one is just called DeeG. So let's go ahead and connect. Should be pretty quick. And there it goes, and we're good to go. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and click on the DeeG Mini review that we recently did and see how that sounds. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at this little mini Bluetooth speaker. So this is made by POWERADD, and it has some pretty unique features. So let's take a look at it. This thing is loud, guys. So we can pause it here and resume. So this is how, and also we can go to the next track. As you saw that, we're going to the next video. Today we're going to be making a video of compare. Alright guys, so I turned on a video that has a little bit more music, so we can listen to that. So let's check it out. So this is about half volume here. And it's got pretty good bass. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but I'm gonna get my microphone. All right, guys, let's crank it up. That's full volume. Check out this super cool light that keeps going around in circles. That is so cool. If you're seeing any kind of funny refresh rate, that's just the camera doing funny things. So in reality, it's a solid light. Let's switch to the little guy and see how he sounds. To the big one, and you can hear how much. Well, this one has a lot more fuller volume. So yeah, they both sound pretty good. The mini here is definitely impressive for the size. So I'm gonna go back and forth between these two and see if you guys can tell the difference. They're both halfway volumed, by the way. Kind of tells you what's inside. So this is how it comes in. It looks like in little compartments here. So maybe what I'll do is I'll just pull them out here. So we have like a bigger, a smaller one, another one here. Now to make it more fair, I can make this little one, you know, all the way up. So this is a halfway volume on the big one here. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have a blue. So this is by a company called Miyadong, and I've bought stuff from them before, so this is a upgraded version of what I have already, so I'm pretty excited to check it out. Let's take a closer look. But you can obviously tell that the big one here, you know, it has a lot more space that it can cover. So, and definitely deeper too. So the little guy here has only got 5 watts, but this one has, you can see, 13 watts times 2, and then another 5 watts times 2. So it's quite a lot more wattage for this guy here, and it does only have 5 to 6 hour playtime on this big speaker, but this little guy has 8 hours. So honestly, they're both pretty good. Like this one, it was impressive when I first reviewed it. I was impressed. Obviously, listening to this one after that, this one is definitely nicer and definitely louder. But I would still have to give it to this one being more, you know, affordable. The sound quality in it comes out really good for, you know, how small it is. And the form factor is smaller, so it's a lot more friendly, I guess, overall. But if you have room and you want something big like this is a great one, guys. And this knob on the top is just ridiculous here. So, and the cool thing about this one is you can change it to previous and next there. So, but on this one you can only play and pause. So now the LED lights for some reason are a little brighter on this one, and I'm thinking it's because of the size of this one. They're just spread out a little more. So this one does look a little bit more cooler at night because it's brighter. I don't know if brighter is better, but it looks a little nicer, seems like. Alright guys, well hopefully you enjoyed this quick little view here of the POWERADD Dee-G Bluetooth speakers. So this is the DeeG and this is the DeeG Mini. So if you're interested in any of them, I'll leave some links in the description. Check that out. Also guys, check out the review of this little speaker. I think this is a great value for the money here, because not only does it look cool, it actually sounds really good for, you know, how small it is. This one is, in my opinion, not as good of a value because of the price. Unless you can get it for under $50 or so, then it might be worth it. And the sheer size of it, you know, might not attract people that much. It's harder to move around. You can still pick it up like this, but, you know, and this knob is just ridiculously huge. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, then hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this and other stuff I do in this channel, and you're not subscribed, then hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.